Lasallians! Christmas season is on! Prince on air! Bringing you joy, stories, and the magic of the season the Lasallian way.
Guys, may clue na ba kayo kung ano klaseng podcast ang gagawin namin today? Because this is not our usual podcast, because this is our
Prince on Air Christmas Special!
At wala kaming special guest for this episode, kaya maganda kayo. And we'll be back, Lasallians, kasi manghihila kami ng students and teachers for this episode.
Kuya, complete the sentence. Christmas is not Christmas without...
Presents.
Why?
It's Christmas.
Sir Carlo, Christmas is Christmas without...
Without love?
Why?
Because love is love.
Fill in the blanks. Christmas is not Christmas without...
Ano daw?
Christmas is not Christmas without...
Without, crispy pata.
Bakit?
Kasi paborito ko yun eh.
Christmas is not Christmas without...
Christmas decors.
Why?
Of course, it symbolizes Christmas.
Fill in the blanks. Christmas is not Christmas without...
Jesus?
Bakit? Why?
Because Jesus was born on that day.
Hindi kumpleto ang Pasko kapag walang...
Kapag walang... handa, pwede.
Bakit po?
Siyempre, walang makakain, walang sama-sama pamilya.
Fill in the blanks po. Christmas is not Christmas without...
Gift giving and love sharing with everyone. Because for me, Christmas is the season where you give a lot of things, hindi man personally a gift or really a gift, but other things na pwede mong ibigay, like pwede kang magbigay ng share ng food, ganyan. And also, Christmas is a season of sharing your love with other people. So, pwede magmahalan yung mga dating magkakaaway, magbabatian.
Excuse me po. Christmas is not Christmas without...
Pera.
Bakit po?
Teka na, kuya pa.
Sige lang. Manguyain muna natin, guys.
Kasi, okay lang walang jowa, basta may pera. Hindi po ba kompleto ang Pasko kapag...
Walang Noche Buena.
Bakit po?
Magugutom.
Ate Annie, Christmas is not Christmas without...
Without hamon.
Bakit po?
Siyempre, masarap kumain.
Christmas is not Christmas without...
Hindi po kompleto ang Pasko kapag walang...
Pera.
Mukhang pera talaga.
Ang bili ng Noche Buena.
Christmas is not Christmas without...
Bibingka and puto bongbong.
Bakit po? Bakit po?
Kasi tradition siya eh. Diba? After simbang gabi, you eat bibingka and puto bongbong.
Tamara, Christmas is not Christmas without...
Gifts.
Why?
Because gifts are important for us.
Okay.
And so gifts are making people happy sometimes.
Making you happy?
Yeah.
Guys, let's go back home. Christmas is not Christmas without...
Without presents.
Why?
Kasi, it's a holiday of giving.
Christmas is not Christmas without...
Noche Buena.
Why?
Kasi hindi buo ang Pasko kapag hindi ka kumakain kasama mga minamahal mong tao.
May nagtaas na kamay, guys. Christmas is not Christmas without...
Christmas lights because nag-a-add ng vibe ang Christmas lights sa Christmas.
How about Mr. President? Christmas is not Christmas without...
Christmas is Christmas without yung mga get-together kasama ng mga lolo tsaka mga tita. Syempre, mga chismisan. Dapat updates tayo lagi tuwing Pasko.
Sir Kent, Christmas is not Christmas without...
Lord of the Rings.
Bakit po?
Movie marathon.
You've heard from the ASJ community their Christmas non-negotiables.
Yes, Jillian and Lasallians, you can follow us on Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, and here on Facebook.
That has been it with Rims on Air 2025. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!